Was good, home skillets? It's been a while. It's been a very, very long hiatus from YouTube. Today, we're going to the Nissan dealership because my timing chain oil squirters came in for the K24DE. I ordered them on February 23rd, and I never got an update on the Nissan website that they actually came in, like that they received them. And I called them, and I'm like, hey, did these ever come in? And then the dude on the phone was like, yeah, they came in. Did you get an update for it? No. Oh, I'm sorry. That's not my department. I'm like, of course it's not your department. It's probably not. They're there, so I'm going to go pick them up. They're prepaid for. Well, I pre-ordered. I bought them on the website. I picked them up at the dealership. That's what I'm going to do now, so let's go do that. So I'm at the dealership now, just trying to find some parking. I ordered 3 of these timing chain oil squirters because obviously if I broke one, it might happen again. So I'm just trying to prepare myself for future things. So let's see. I have to put this down though. Hello. I'm here to pick up parts. Oh, thank you. Hello, sir. Yes, I'm here to pick up parts. I ordered parts off of the North Plainfield Nissan website.
Okay.
I ordered them on like February 20th.
A while ago?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, awesome.
You ordered 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Nice. Exactly what I needed. Everybody was like staring at me because I had the camera. They're like, "Oh my God, what's going to happen to us?" I'm like, "Hey, I'm just a little YouTuber, just trying to make it in this world." But this is exactly what I needed. I don't know if I have to blur out Nissan, but I don't know. I'm not like trying to market off them or something. I don't even know if that's the right word. I gotta get this thing up and running. But once this engine's done, I'm probably just going to strip out everything here. Probably repaint the engine bay black. I was going to do some fancy color, but I'm kind of simple. I got to rewire this. And it's only these wires that I use to run the KA. Hopefully it still works. I gotta rewire. I gotta re-put my harness in here and everything. But that's for another time. What the heck? Why are there more? Come on, yo. What the heck? I was gonna put the engine right there next to the door. Yo, what the heck? Alright. Now this just became a chore. Man, I don't know how the heck I'm going to do this engine, yo. I'm going to have to drop this engine outside. Like, I'm going to have to put this engine outside. Because there's just, every time I come here, there's just like something new in the middle of everything. Because this would have been the perfect lighting right here. Boom. Now, I know 2 of these SEs are mine. 1, 2 silver ones, and the rest are my cousin's. This thing's still in here. This is such a nightmare. My engine's all the way over here. No bike plastics. I don't know. I think I'm going to have to literally drop this outside. Well, install this engine outside. This is the 325iX kit that I'm going to put on the S12. How? I'll make it work. I can't even think about that right now because I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to get my engine out of this corner. This is such a chore. I'd love to use these on my S12, but they're 14s, and they're also not mine. I don't want to go anything smaller than 15s. I want to do 17s. Alright, let me figure this out real quick. I got it in. I'm really sorry about this lighting. I don't have a professional workspace. I think you all know that, but that's it installed. On some forums, some other people had that jet oil timing chain oil squirter break on them. And one dude was saying, he's like, oh, it doesn't fit. And he's like, you might as well get a piece of pipe and try to remake it. I'm like, nah, I'm good. And that's actually, I put it up to it. It doesn't go right through. It has to be hammered in. So I got my hammer. Got a hammer and a piece of cloth. I just tapped it in ever so gently, and now it's in. So this block is legit AF now. And now it's just time to hone the cylinders. Probably not going to record that. I don't have lighting. Look, this place is just, I don't know. I really don't know. Because this could be done a lot quicker, this whole S12 thing, if I had my own space. There's enough space here. This space is free, yes. But at this point, I'm almost more willing to pay for an empty space that I know that I can put my stuff in. Because this has to go in there. This has been here for like 3 months. And like, I put the engine in, but I'm not touching this car. Because the paint's immaculate. I don't want to be responsible for any damage. And then I don't know where all these tires came from. And we had them all in our basement, but now they're here. So where are we going to put them? Because all the stuff that was in the basement is now in here, taking up even more space, and it has to stay in here because this is where it's supposed to be. Like, I couldn't even bring my engine out from the corner. Like, barely. I could probably have brought it, like, right here, but man, I'm going to put that engine in outside. How? Man, I drag that lift outside. Maybe, actually no, because then how would I drag the lift outside with an engine on it? I don't know. But I can definitely get my engine on the lift, turn lift around, and skirt, put the nose in, drop it in, do it. Car only comes up to about right here. And all that stuff can be moved. I'm not going to be doing that like ASAP, but I got my pistons. They came in yesterday. My rods are coming in Wednesday or Thursday. Whenever those come in, they come in. I put them in. I slap them in this bad girl. And then I can put my head on. You can't even see. There's no light in here. Alright. So that's done. I'm going to hone the cylinders off camera. But I'm going to explain to you my plan with the S12, just so y'all can really see what's going on with this car. It needs some love. My body work is really good up here, but some moisture got in, starting to rust. This car's going to get vinyl wrapped though, and I'm going to do it myself. I'm trying to start a vinyl wrapping business. Yeah, I got a lot of work to do. That's cracking. Scratches. Oh man. Starting to rust in a lot of spots. But hopefully I can get this good. This is just finished honing. The engine barely had any miles, so I just wanted to put a fresh crosshatch in it. You can't see it because there's kind of oil. I use oil. I line the cylinder walls with oil, and then I put a little bit of oil on the honing tool, and then I just go up and down about 6 times, twice, not too, kind of slow. I did this last time with my other engine, no problem. So if someone has a problem with it, I guess we'll just wait and see if this blows up. So, other than that, jet oil timing chain, wheel squirters in, right there, boom, nice and flush. So now, put the bag back over, wait for my rods to get here. Then after that, we got some ring gap videos, even though I kind of just throw them in. Psych, I don't. When I get my rods and I put the pistons in, if the ring gaps from out of the box are close to what I want them, then I'll just put them in. That's just how that works, you know. But I do top, middle, bottom gapping. I do that. But that's it for this video. Time to go home. Oh man, this is starting to rust. I might have to order a new timing chain kit. I mean, it's just surface rust though. That's, I'm gonna have to get like a little Brillo pad. But yeah, stuff's starting to rust the longer this stays out. Look at that. That's, I mean, that's why you get stuff hot tanked, you know. I don't have that luxury. I'm gonna clean this up though. Like and subscribe, home skillets. This video was not super entertaining, but it's a little something for you guys. I don't know how I'm gonna get this car done in the time that I want to. I mean, I'm not trying to rush it, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 cars here. No space in the garage. I mean, it's stuff that can be moved, but it's just like, where are you going to put it? Outside? No, and that's how stuff gets stolen, especially out here. And I don't know. I'll figure it out. When the time comes to put the engine in, I'll figure it out. If I have to pull the car out myself, whatever, I don't know. But in the comments below, let me know whatever y'all are thinking about this build, what you want to see, what you guys want me to do. And that's it. So take care and have a nice day.